The architect of Earth. Hassan Fathi sat in his office, surrounded by blueprints for towering buildings of glass and steel. He drew straight lines and sharp angles, but a part of him felt empty, as if something was missing from his designs. He looked at a faded photograph on his desk. It showed a village of rounded, earthen buildings with graceful domes and arches, a place his grandfather had told him stories about. A warmth spread through him that his modern buildings never could. With a sudden decision, Hassan Fathi packed a small bag, leaving the city's noise and rush behind. He was going to find the village from the photograph, a place called Gorna, to see if the old ways could still teach him something new. The air in Gorna was dry and warm, but the houses felt cool. They were built from the very earth beneath his feet. A young girl named Noor was helping her family, carefully patting mud bricks into place. She smiled at him with a knowing look. "The earth gives us everything we need," Noor explained, her hands expertly shaping a new brick. "When the house is old, it will return to the earth, and the earth will be ready for a new one." Hassan Fathi listened, his heart filling with a forgotten wisdom. Together they worked. Hassan Fathi showed Noor the precise geometry of the arches and the perfect curve of the domes. Noor showed him how to feel the right consistency of the mud, how to let the sun do its work. They were a team, building something beautiful and strong. Hassan Fathi pointed to the small, patterned openings in the walls. "These let the cool air in and keep the hot sun out," he said. "And the domes? They trap the warm air and send it away. The house breathes on its own." They walked through the completed village, a symphony of domes and arches. Children played in the cool shade, and families sat outside their homes, laughing. The buildings were not just shelters. They were a part of the landscape, a part of the people. Hassan Fathi realized that the true measure of a building wasn't its height or its material cost, but how it lived with the land and with the people. The old ways weren't just a style. They were a philosophy, a way of living in harmony. He decided to stay in Gorna, to teach and to learn. His hands, once used to drawing straight lines, now knew the feel of the earth. He had come to build a village, but he had found something far more important, a home for his heart.